Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. So today I have a really fun video for you guys. So I'm actually doing a first impressions unboxing of the spring FabFitFun box. So I'm sure by now you all have been educated on FabFitFun. You've seen unboxings, you've seen it on Instagram, and this is my first time actually unboxing one of these boxes. And let me tell you something. When I see that my favorite bachelorettes are hyping this box up, then I know that I need to be a part of this, because I honestly, when I watch The Bachelor or The Bachelorette, like I feel like these girls are my friends. So if I'm seeing that these ladies are enjoying the box as much as they are, then I know that I'm probably gonna like it too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So I just wanted to mention that I did partner with FabFitFun for this video. So they did send me this box in exchange for me to go ahead and unbox and share everything with you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys and share with you guys my first impression of the box. Because like I mentioned, this is my first time opening a FabFitFun box. So I just wanna let you guys know that this box is normally $49.99 and there is $200 retail value of products, over $200 of products in this box. But there is a code below, so if you use my code 10GINA, you're actually gonna get $10 off of this box. So it's really gonna be $39.99. So that is such an awesome deal to get a box valued over $200 for $39. So look at how cute this box is. Ah, purple is my favorite color too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into everything. So first thing you're gonna get in here is a HelloFresh gift card. So if you don't want that, you could always gift it to someone else. Someone who would really appreciate a HelloFresh gift card would definitely be an expecting mom or a mom who's just given birth. Those are like the best people to give those gift cards to. So I have someone in mind that I'm gonna send that to, so be on the lookout for that. So first thing you're gonna get inside is the FabFitFun magazine. Looks like this box is in collaboration with Venus Williams, the tennis player. So inside is just a magazine and it lays out everything that is inside your box and what all of the retail values are of the box. And they also have some fitness videos here. So if you guys want some ideas on some workouts, you can go ahead and just go straight to this website for your fitness. And then they also have some recipes inside here. So you guys can go ahead and just cut those out and have some recipes. And then there are just little articles that talk about everything that's in the box. And then there's a little bit more about Venus Williams inside here if you want to go ahead and read up on what she is up to. So now I'm just going to go ahead and unbox everything. So first thing inside here is the 11 by Venus. So it is a jump rope right here. So it is a fitness jump rope. And inside the magazine, there's actually a video that corresponds with the jump rope. So if you're looking for some workouts involving a jump rope, then you can go ahead and just look at those workouts that they have online. So that's great. And this is something that I've actually already opened and I've already been using and I've been absolutely loving. And it is the Ooey, I think it's Ooey. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it's OUAI hair care, and it is a leave-in hair care treatment. And as you can see, I've already used a good portion of this. First off, I love the smell. The smell of this is, it has like a floral fragrance to it, but what I love about this is I can just go ahead and spray this in my hair after I just rinse my hair off with water, because I work out and I run, but I don't want to wash my hair every single day. So when I get out of the shower and I've just rinsed my hair off with water, then I'll go ahead and apply this. And it will help me brush my hair out and detangle it and everything, because I don't like to shampoo and condition my hair every day because I don't want it to dry out. So have that. And the next thing in here is the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Mask. And this is coming in such great time because I just finished the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask, and sleeping masks are fantastic. And I'm loving the like rose scent trend here. So this, like I said, this is a nighttime sleeping mask, vitamin C brightening sleeping mask, and this is a full-size product, you guys. So this is it right here. And I absolutely do smell the rose. It's a little muted because I do have a cold, but this is such a fantastic gift right here. So we have that. And then also inside here is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffer Gel. So this visibly reduces the look of under eye circles and under eye bags. So this is what it is right here. So you apply this under your eye cream. So the color of this is orange, so this is going to cancel out the purple underneath your eyes. So that is awesome. So that's great. I definitely need an eye depuffer gel. Mom life. Okay, so the next thing in here is called Show Me Your Moo Moo, and it looks like this is a robe, and it's in a beautiful floral print. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I love this. And it's lightweight too, because I'm in California, so we don't need like heavy robes. Oh, I love this. And I don't have a robe. This is so pretty. I love this. I love this. I'm going to keep this on for like the remainder of the video. Like I'm just going to be a little extra for the rest of this video because I absolutely love this. Oh wow. And then the next thing in here is a Sip Swell water bottle. So this is an insulated water bottle. It keeps your drinks cold up to 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. And I love the color on this too. So this is really pretty. Wow. So I think these are pretty expensive normally on their own. So that's awesome. Okay. So the next thing in here is the Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and it is an exfoliant. So there's champagne and charcoal in here. So this is great, especially for the warmer months coming ahead, because I'm going to need to be shaving my legs a lot more. So I need to exfoliate before I do that. Okay, this smells like grapes. It smells like, honestly, it smells like Robitussin is what it smells like. Grape Robitussin or like grape popsicles, but I'm weird and I love that scent of grape. So I'm going to be all about that. Yep, I definitely get the grape, but I can only smell on like one side of my nose. But from what I can smell, it smells pretty dang good. So the directions on the back says, apply the champagne charcoal scrub evenly onto body while gently massaging into the skin, rinse with water. So this will be good right before you shave to go ahead and exfoliate. This would be good to do if you do self-tanner. You want to make sure you're exfoliating before it's self-tanner. So I'm excited to try that. And then the last thing is the Lavito Aromatic Body Lotion. So this is in the scent Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. Okay, so I smell more of the bergamot than the citrus, but this is great. So this is everything that came in the FabFitFun box for spring. So you guys should definitely take advantage of this box. There are some great things. Honestly, I think this would be a great item just to gift to someone. It's $39.99 with that code 10Gina. You can get $10 off. So you can get this whole entire box for $39.99, which is great and would make a great gift. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and order one for my best friend because her birthday's coming up and I think that she would like everything in this box. So, or if you wanted just to, you know, pick pieces out of the box, you can gift the different pieces to different people. You could turn this box into like a multi-gift. Maybe you can keep one thing for yourself and then gift it to a few other people, whatever you want to do. Everything in here, you can find someone to either gift it to or find a use for yourself. So something that I steered away from when it came to like subscription boxes is I would never use the stuff in the box, but I can honestly say everything in here I can actually use, which I am super excited about, that I can actually use the stuff in these boxes, because I would subscribe to Birchbox, I would subscribe to Ipsy, Sephora Play, I would subscribe to the Target beauty box, I would subscribe to the Walmart beauty box, but I would never use all the stuff. So I would just have a pile of samples that I would never use, and then I would end up throwing it out because it would get expired. So I'm so happy that I have I'm so happy that I have a subscription box that I can actually use the stuff in, and not to mention I can reuse the box. This is like the perfect shipping box. So I'm excited to have that too, because I'm always reusing boxes for shipping purposes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the FabFitFun Spring Box. Hands down, the favorite thing in this box has to be this robe. It is gorgeous, and it's just gonna make me feel a little bit more pretty in the morning when I'm not feeling my best. I can go ahead and throw this on and make myself feel a little bit more pretty. And now you can go ahead and customize your box. So you can pick and choose some of the things that you get into your box. So you can preview your box and you can pick and choose some other items. So I was watching Kimberly's video, Style Mom XO, and she actually got some Pkwy sunglasses, And there's a few other things that she got in her box to customize for her that I didn't get in my box. So you can go ahead and customize different things. So definitely sign up now so you can take advantage of those customizable things. And there are also free add-ons you can add onto your box as well. Designer Jen did a video talking all about the free add-ons, so that is awesome. So yeah, definitely go and give FabFitFun a try if you haven't already. And if you are in the Los Angeles area and you are around the Grove in Los Angeles, they actually have a stand where you can go ahead and just buy this box in person. So outside the movie theater, so you can't miss it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and a big thank you to FabFitFun for sending this box over to me and giving me the opportunity to unbox this for you guys. And definitely use the link below. Use the code 10GINA to get $10 off your first box. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.